Hello students, in last video we learned parts of computer. Today we learn our first lesson, internet and email. All of you know what is internet and emails. In today's condition, corona's condition, online teaching is going through internet. Then our first lesson is internet and email. The word internet is a combination of interconnection and network. The word is a combination of interconnection, inter from interconnection and net from network. The word how internet becomes interconnection and network means internet. Uses of internet, all of you know, email, sending email to each other. Second one, news groups. News groups are used for sharing ideas, our views and other kinds of information. Online chatting and conferences like as WhatsApp, Facebook, Zoom app. Internet is also used for online chatting. You can send messages, photos, videos using WhatsApp, Facebook, etc. Other uses, internet are used in banks, railway stations for booking tickets, airports, schools, as like that. Network, second point is network. Network, it is a group of computers which is connected to each other for communicating and sharing. Network is a group of computers. Two or more than two computers are connected to each other using a cable for communicating and sharing. That means network. In network there are two types of network. First one, LAN, means local area network. Local area network is used in bank, in schools, म्हणजे जिथं थोड्या प्रमाणात कॉम्प्युटर्स एकमेकाला कनेक्ट केली जातात, गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफिसेस वगैरे असतील त्या ठिकाणी लॅन वापरलं जातं. WAN means WAN, wide area network. That means internet. In world, all computers are connected to each other. जगातली जेवढी कॉम्प्युटर्स एकमेकाला कनेक्ट केलेले आहेत ते म्हणजे WAN, wide area network. Then third one, all of you know WWW. WWW means World Wide Web. When you are searching any website that time, these three W are used. That means World Wide Web. म्हणजे एखाद्या वेबसाईटच्या सुरुवातीलाच असतं www.shivajuniversity.com as like that. Fourth one, search engine. Search engine means for example Google is a search engine. म्हणजे आपण जे काही वापरून इंटरनेटमध्ये प्रवेश करतो. सर्च इंजिन इज अ डोर ऑफ इंटरनेट. म्हणजे अगदी त्याला आपण इंटरनेटचा दरवाजा जरी म्हटलं तरी चालतं, कारण गुगल एक सर्च इंजिन आहे, ते वापरून आपण इंटरनेटमध्ये प्रवेश करतो. That means search engine. Look again. The word internet. How internet becomes? The word internet is a combination of interconnection. Inter from interconnection and net from network. That means internet. Uses of internet, email. Second, news groups. Third, online chatting and conferences. Fourth, other uses. Network is a group of computers which is connected to each other for communicating and sharing. There are two types of networks. First one, LAN means local area network, म्हणजे जे ठराविक थोडी कॉम्प्युटर एकमेकाला कनेक्ट केली जातात डेटा शेअरिंग करण्यासाठी, त्यांना म्हणायचं LAN. Second one, WAN, वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क. वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क इज अ बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल ऑफ इंटरनेट. म्हणजे जगातली जेवढी कॉम्प्युटर्स आपण एकमेकाला कनेक्ट केलेली आहेत, म्हणजे आपण इथं बसून दुसऱ्या कोणत्याही जगातल्या वेबसाईट वगैरे सर्च करू शकतो. दॅट मीन्स WAN. थर्ड वन, WWW, वर्ल्ड वाईड वेब. अँड फोर्थ वन, सर्च इंजिन. फॉर एक्झाम्पल गुगल, म्हणजे जे काही आपण एखादं सर्च इंजिन वापरून आपण इंटरनेटमध्ये प्रवेश करतो, गुगल असेल, याहू असेल, दॅट मीन्स सर्च इंजिन. This is the internet and email.
Is an interconnection between two or more computers. The internet is a network of networks that consists of millions of computers spread across the world. Internet allows us to share the information worldwide with just a mouse click. With the advent of Internet, the old saying, "World is too small," has been replaced by the new term, global village. Who is he? He is Tim Berners-Lee, founder of the World Wide Web. Okay, now let us understand brief history of Internet. In 1969, when men walked on the moon, the US Defense Department set an Advanced Research Project Agency, ARPA, for further research. They designed a network of 4 computers to exchange and share their data. This network was called APRANET, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Later, many universities were allowed to join this network and share the information. This was the beginning of networking of computers, which grew bigger day by day and gave birth to Internet, the technology which has radically changed our life. Earlier, Internet was used by engineers, scientists and computer experts for research purpose. Gradually, the network was made accessible to private agencies and general public. People started using it for sending messages and files between the computers. The most interesting thing about Internet is that no single agency controls or maintains it. In India, Internet services started on 15th of August 1995 through a government-owned company, VSNL. Some of the popular Internet service providers ISP in India are BSNL, Tata, Airtel, Reliance, Idea, etc. Students, if you want to reserve and print railway tickets, then you should visit the site www.
Okay, students, now we are going to learn about types of internet connections. So there are 6 types of internet connections. First is dial-up access. Second is DSL, that is digital subscriber line. Third is cable and fourth is satellite. Fifth is wireless fidelity and sixth is third generation and fourth generation, that is 3G and 4G. Now we are going to look out all these one by one. First is dial-up access. Dial-up is made of connecting to internet using telephone line. That means this type of access, it uses telephone line. So you should have a telephone connection. Then this dial-up connection connects to a modem. Modem is a device that you should have with your computer, and then this modem connects through internet using the telephone line. For establishing a connection, you have to dial a number. So dial-up connection access runs only when you initiate it, that means when you start it. Second is DSL, that is digital subscriber line. It is an internet connection that is always on. Like dial-up, it is having only one line, but in DSL it is having 2 lines, one for accessing internet and one is for calling the phone. Okay, calling on the phone, and it uses a device that is known as router, and in this there is no need to dial any number, but in dial-up connection we have to dial up a number for accessing the internet. Okay, in this we are using router. Router is shown in this picture, and modem is also shown in the picture. So this router, it is used to send and receive data. Next type of connection is cable. Cable, it provides an internet connection through a cable modem and operates other cable TV like lines. Okay, next is satellite connection. In satellite connection, it does not require any cable or phone line. It uses broadband connection, or you can say waves. It gets connected to the internet through satellite, and this satellites revolves in a orbit of the earth, and it can be used anywhere in the whole world. You can say it covers large area, but it depends on weather condition. If condition is fluctuating, you will not get signal, or there will be a disturbance in the connectivity. So this is about satellite communication. You can see pictures here. First is showing cable connection and second is showing communication satellite. Okay, next type of connection is wireless fidelity. Wireless fidelity stands for Wi-Fi. It does not use telephone lines or cables to connect to the internet. It uses only radio frequency wave. That means it should have a tower nearby. It also always on connection, and it can be accessed from anywhere. Now next is 3G and 4G. 3G and 4G cellular technology, they provides wireless internet access through cell phones that can be used in mobiles. Okay, 3G means third generation cellular technology and 4G means fourth generation cellular technology. 5G is also available, that is fifth generation, and it is available on selected networks but not in general use. So that is all about the types of
The basic
connection.
terminologies related to Internet. The World Wide Web or WWW, website, web pages, web page, web browser, home page and search engines, etc. Web browser. It is a software that allows to view and explore information on the web. Website. It is a collection of web pages containing information related to a particular company, topic, institute, etc. Web page. Any page on the internet which contains information in the form of text, graphics, video, etc. Home page. The first page of any website. Search engine. It is a software system that is designed to search for information on the World Wide Web. World Wide Web, WWW. It is a collection of various types of websites. Open web page using IP address. Open your web browser. Click your mouse in the address bar at the top of the window. Type the string http:// followed by the IP address and a forward slash. Press enter key. Best practices related to online safety. Respect the privacy of other people. Respect other people's online right. You should not give out any personal information while using internet. Password should be changed at regular interval of time, and it should be alphanumeric together with special character. Always talk to your parents so that together you can set up rules for going online. Don't respond to any message that makes you feel uncomfortable. Never share your picture or anything else. If a situation online becomes hostile, log off, and if a situation places you in fear, contact local police. Advantages of Internet. Internet is one of the best inventions for us. An importance of Internet is huge in our lives. It has become the best source to get knowledge about any aspect. We can't even imagine the life without Internet. We can stay updated with the latest happenings in the world, can stay connected with the world all the time, can get knowledge about anything we want, and can do lot other things with the Internet. We can do all of our shopping using Internet. We can log into our online accounts to pay bills, fund transfer, check our account balance, etc. through it. It helps to book our tickets online. But as you know, nothing comes with only benefits. Everything has got its negative points or disadvantages as well. And so, the Internet has also. Disadvantages or negative effects of the Internet. Children, young adults, and even adults get addicted to online games, reduced physical activity, cyber crimes. Responsibilities of a good digital citizen. The effects of the internet to people can be both positive and negative. There is a need to manage this technology for man's overall benefit. The internet provides us a large platform for social networking. You are responsible for how you interact with other digital users, for protecting yourself against abusive relationships. Of foremost concern is the need to make sure that internet security is well in place to prevent the negative effects of the internet.